How to change your username on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to change your username on Instagram, you have come to the right place. Before moving forward, make sure you have updated your Instagram application. In order to do so, head over to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and type in Instagram. If there is an update button available, make sure to tap on it. This way, the download should automatically start. Then after, tap on open button once it has been updated. Next up, you'll have to log in using your credentials. Then tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and on the top of the page you will see your username, and below your profile picture you will see your name. Now tap on edit profile and you will see both of the option name and username. Tap on name option to change it, but keep in mind you can only change your name twice within 14 days. Likewise, for username, you can tap on it to change the username. You'll be able to change your username back to what it was for another 14 days. So you can just continue with changing your username and tap on the tick or the save button on the top right corner. Keep in mind if the name is not available, you might not be able to change your username. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.